Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Lizzie. You're welcome. Today I'm going to show you all how I achieved this braiding hairstyle using Brazilian wool. So the first thing I did was to use water to moisturize my hair, just so that while I braid it doesn't cut. So right now I'm just combing the front of my hair so it looks neat, and this is what my hair looks like at the moment. Next off, I'll pick up my Brazilian wool. I had used this in one of my previous videos, so I picked it up and decided to use them again. Next up, I'm going to pick up my second Brazilian wool. This is the Sweeten Brazilian wool. It's a brand in Nigeria. It's just like braiding hair. This one is quite different, just like braiding hair. Right now I'm going to section my hair like this. Make sure that while you section, your parts are neat. This is going to enable the hair look more beautiful. So while I do this, I have a mirror right in front of me and another mirror right behind me. This is just going to enable my parts to be neat. Again, I'm going to section my hair and start braiding. So I'm going to apply edge control. Make sure the edge control is distributed properly and start braiding. So I'm going to section my hair into 3 layers. So I'm going to pick one layer, pass it on to the next, just the way you can see me doing the video. And then while I do that, I'm going to add the hair extension. So from the root, I'm going to add the normal Brazilian wool that we all know. So I'm going to add it 3 times, and then when I get to the end, I'm going to add the Sweeten Brazilian wool because I want to curl the ends of the hair extension. So with the Sweeten Brazilian wool, you easily be able to curl the ends of your hair extension. So I'm just going to braid right away. I'm going to braid down till I reach the end. I actually did want this particular braiding hairstyle to be long. I really wanted it to be lengthy, so I'm just going to braid right down towards I reach the end. And once I do that, I'm going to start adding the Sweeten Brazilian wool so that I can easily curl the ends of the hair. And once that is done, I'm also going to knot the ends of the hair 3 times just so that it doesn't unravel. So once I knot it, I'm going to basically repeat the same process over again. So I'm just going to let you guys to enjoy the rest of this video until it's necessary for me to come back right in again. So guys, at this point I'm going to comb the ends of the hair just so that it can be smooth. So I'll pick them section by section, one after the other, and comb it so that it can be as smooth as possible, and so that when I want to curl it up, it will actually give me the effect that I want. Right now I'm just curling it up on a flexi rod just so that once that is done I can dip in hot water and we'll have our curls ready. Right now I'm applying the edge control at the front of my hair, and then I'm just going to slick everything down like this using a rat tail comb. At this point, I'm going to pick up my mousse and apply it on my hair so that I can control any excess flyover. It's just going to make your hair lie properly. And then right now I'm going to dip the ends of the hair in hot water just so that we can achieve the curls easily. So do that one after the other and allow it to dry. While doing this, you have to be as careful as possible so that the hot water does not pour on your body. At the end of the day, I still couldn't wait for the hair to dry completely. Even though I went in with blow dryer, I had somewhere else to go, so I just had to rush up the whole process. But before you remove your flexi rods, make sure that your hair is completely dried. Mine was just about halfway dried. So this is what we have. These are the curls and I am loving it already. If it were the normal Brazilian wool that I used at the ends of the hair extension, I wouldn't have easily been able to achieve these curls because the normal Brazilian wool does not absorb water. Once you curl it up, it doesn't take up to 2 hours before it goes back to its normal form. So this is what the curls look like and I'm loving it already. Right now I'm going to go in with my above hair sheen for shine. I'm just going to spray that all over my hair, and voila guys, this is what we have and I love this already. This is actually really simple and cute. If you are looking out for a very simple hairstyle to make on yourself or on your clients, this should be your go-to. I love this already. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that, and also turn on the notification button so that each time I post you get a notification and you'll be the first to know. I'm also going to link some of my previous videos to this one. Please do well to watch and comment in the comment section. I love you guys so much and I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.